What do we think Yellen has in mind with this meeting with the SEC and the CFTC?
Well, I think that the secretary wants very much to be able to say, I want to know what happened to the regular person here. I want to know whether we need to change some of the regulation. You know, Vlad Tenev put out a piece yesterday about same-day transactions and what it would mean and how much better it would be versus the way that Wall Street has done things. He's a revolutionary who's obviously been pilloried during this period. Robinhood has not necessarily come out as being a good actor. I think they're tremendous because they brought 17 million people in. But a secretary should do this because we want markets to be free and fair. But I think that one of the things that she's always going to have to address, and David, you know this, is the notion of caveat emptor. When you buy a stock, it's risky. And if she's going to try to get anything that makes it clear that when you decide, let's say you're going to be in something like a GameStop, that's terrific. Everybody has a right to do everything. But please understand the risks and understand suitability. Anything, David, that she can do that's like that is going to end up helping the regular person and not hurt, of course, the hedge funds.
Right. And perhaps the move away from this, well, we'll see. I don't know, the antagonism between sort of these traders and the hedge funds. You know, interesting to know. A lot of people end up losing here. It's unclear how many people will really gain when we tell the story. Those who were long early, obviously, in GameStop and chose to get out certainly are the beneficiaries, perhaps, and have done quite well. But there are plenty who got in and are suffering or have suffered significant losses. Obviously, the hedge fund, Melvin being the key one, down dramatically. A number of other hedge funds. Robinhood, a loser here, one would argue as well, angering its customer base, having to raise billions of dollars. Been a fascinating story.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.